How to splash in old school RuneScape. Splashing is a very AFK method of gaining XP, as you only have to click once every 20 minutes. You need a minus 65 magic attack bonus to splash, which means you need a full armor set. Any type of armor will do, such as an iron armor set with green dragon hide vambraces. With an armor set and green dragon hide vambraces, you're now free to splash with your runes of choice. Using mind runes to fire strike gets you about 11k XP an hour, and blood runes will get you about 50k XP an hour. So obviously, the higher up the type of rune you go, the more XP you get, but it costs more. So obviously the cheapest way of splashing is by just using mind runes. If you don't have 40 ranged, you can splash by buying the goblin staff from Diango in Draenor, which will let you splash without vambraces due to its +0 magic attack bonus. But you don't get any unlimited runes, so you'll have to stock up on more runes, meaning it's a lot more efficient to get 40 range first and use vambraces with an elemental staff such as the fire staff. Using the smoke battle staff will let you have unlimited air and fire runes, so it's a good investment despite its high cost of about 3 million coins as of making this video. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped, be sure to leave a like and a nice friendly comment. It lets me know that these videos helped, and that would be great.